So generally these are the kidneys. In our human being we have the generally one pair of kidneys. But what about the specially? They are the, what is the color? It is a generally a bean shaped. What is the shape here? Bean shaped. Bean shape, one pair of kidneys are present. One pair of kidneys. What about the color? Dark reddish brown. Dark reddish brown, one pair of bean shaped kidneys are present. Okay, exactly the third lumbar region. We have the one pair. Next here, look at the diagram. The kidneys are not equally. For example, why sir? Compared to what about the specially left kidney? Compared to left kidney, the right kidney slightly down. Compared to left kidney, the right kidney, it is the, for example, left, it is the right, so it is a slightly down. Or why sir? Because in the right side only, because the right side we have the, what about the specially, the liver will be present. The liver is present. That's why compared to red, I said compared to left kidney, the right kidney slightly down, because the right side only we have the liver will be present. Okay, but what about the length and what about the size? Generally the kidneys are particularly 10 to 12 centimeters of length. 10 to 12 centimeters of the length and 2 to 3 centimeters of the width. And what about the generally 2 to 3 centimeters of the width, and what about the presently approximately the 120 to 170 grams of the weight also will be present. The kidneys, what about the size, what about the length, what about the means here generally the kidneys are, what about the specially here sir? The kidneys are 10 to 12 centimeters, or maybe sometimes it will be having 13 centimeters of the length also will be, we can say. And at the same time approximately what about the specially 2 centimeters of the width, and at the same time 120 to what about the specially 170 grams of the weight will be present. And an average, what about the average, what about the specially each and every kidney maximum we are saying that 150 grams of the weight will be present. 150 grams of the weight, that is the kidneys normally we can say. So the kidneys are, what about the specially located in the dorsal side or ventral side? Generally they are the, what about the specially ventral side, dorsal side, and particularly either side of the vertebral column, and exactly the third lumbar vertebral region, one pair of dark reddish and brown color bean shaped kidneys will be present. Okay, but each and every kidney, but what about the specially compared to left, the right is slightly down, because the right side we have the liver will be present. They have the 10 to 12 centimeters of the length, 2 to 3 centimeters of the width, 120 to 170 grams average, 150 grams of the weight will be present. The kidneys are normally we can say retroperitoneal. Normally the kidneys are commonly we can say retroperitoneal organ. The retroperitoneal. The retroperitoneal means it will be surrounded by, they will be surrounded by one of the peritoneum, one of the membrane will be present, so that it is known as retroperitoneal organ. And each and every kidney also will be consist here. What about the specially one pair of general a cap like structures are present, that is normally we can say adrenal glands. That's why it is normally we can say adrenal gland. Okay, and particularly what about the kidney structure and what about the shape? Generally we know each and every kidney. So what about the specially they can will be having the outer is the convex, inner is the generally concave. Here the kidney we have the generally what about the specially outer, it is the generally convex and inner is the normally we can say concave. A convex, inner is the normally concave shape will be present. Here is the convex shape and in outer is the convex, inner is the concave. So the convex shape outer, inner is the concave. In the concave region only they have the one of the a notch like structure will be present. A notch like structure will be present, that is normally we can say what about the specially we can say hilus. The kidney, what about the outer is the generally outer surface is the convex, generally inner is normally we can say concave shape. In the concave region only they can will be consist one of the a notch or one of the node like structure will be present, that is normally we can say hilus. So through the hilus region only, through the hilus region only we can identify here the renal artery, the renal artery and the renal vein. Renal artery and the renal vein both also will be leads into the through the hilus region only they can will be leads into the kidney. Okay, and more particularly the each and every kidney outer is the concave, outer is the convex, inner is the concave shape, and particularly in the concave shape only they have the one of the notch or node like structure will be present, that is the hilus. Through the hilus region only the renal artery and the renal vein also will be enter into the kidney. Okay.